name is Ellie, and I came to Ignite Wellness for a variety of reasons because I have a close friend who has been coming here for some time for back trouble. I have been enduring IT band trouble for about 5 years, and I was sort of desperate to find something that would really work. It would work for a little while, but not enough, and I was having a great deal of difficulty with exercising and doing common things like cooking in the kitchen and standing for a long time. So I came here and was diagnosed actually with some arthritis in my lower back, and after probably, I'm not even sure how long I've been coming here, but 5 or 6 weeks, I have virtually no pain in my leg and am able to increase my exercise and cook for long periods of time standing in the kitchen, and have just been really excited to have this turn of events. So thank you, Ignite.